Hi traders, so with the shocking events going on in the Ukraine at the moment, the market is proving very volatile, and if you are inexperienced or you don't know how to manage your risk in those situations, the market can prove very tricky to trade. So this week's trading tip is all going to be around how to stay safe in these market conditions. Right, so obviously there is a lot going on in the markets at the moment and it's proving very volatile. We have a big spike down, we have moves up, and it can happen very quickly depending on news base. So my tip this week is to manage your risk. Always keep your risk tight. Trade from those really key areas. So a couple of ways that you can do that. There's two things that I would suggest. One, you can move up a time frame on your execution. So if you normally execute on, say, a 5-minute chart, you can move up to a 15-minute chart or an hour chart. If you execute on an hour chart, move up to a 4-hour or daily chart. Increase the time frame that you're trading on, which will allow for better signals. It allows you to trade from better areas. You're going to have to exercise more patience, but the setups will be that you'll be entering, you'll be much safer in and less open to those volatile swings. The other thing is you want to be managing your risk very tightly. Now, that doesn't mean to say having really tight stops. What I mean by that is by taking risk off the table when you get into profit so that you reduce your risk exposure on the trade. Also, do not be greedy when you are going for your targets, especially if you're counter trend. You want to be booking your profits, not being greedy, because the markets can change very quickly, and depending on what news comes about. We don't have any control over that. So my tip this week is manage your risk. Reduce your risk exposure aggressively. Reduce your risk exposure at your earliest opportunities. And if you're finding yourself getting chopped in and out of the market very quickly, increase your time frame that you're executing on to make sure that the chances of that are mitigated. So that's my trading tip of the week, and I'll speak to you again soon.